What is going on, everyone? Back on the channel once again, me and my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hey there, everybody.
You don't have to talk in the microphone, remember?
Go.
So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Today we are going to be trying from my perspective on like split screen or just my dad's perspective. So comment down below if you would prefer to have split screen or one perspective. Whichever gets the most votes, we will do in the future of our videos.
Yeah, we did split screen last video, but this time we're going to do Blake's perspective.
Right. And so today we're going to do a derby, which is an event where you smash cars into each other, last man standing wins.
Yep.
And a juggernaut, which is one of the rounds that you can choose. By the way, if you can choose a round, it's whoever gets the most. It's whatever round gets the most votes by players. And so, if Juggernaut is chosen, Juggernauts are two big machines.
Yes.
And the attackers have to choose tier 1, which are small ones. Well, let's get into it.
Alright, so he's going to go into the derby.
We'll cut this part out.
Yes.
You're dead?
Yeah. I'm going to join
Wait, not yet.
this. See? There he is. Alright, this is the derby section.
We're in freeze tag, so right now we cannot play. But we can watch. We can watch. Okay?
That's my guy. Hey, bud.
Superhuman skill crusher.
Look, I just planted on top of Blake. Oh, wait.
Get away from me, I have an RPG.
That seems a little extreme. Oh! Bro! I don't think that's legal.
Crowbar.
Oh my gosh.
The RPG is better. Watch this, Dad. I'm gonna nuke the destruction facility.
Yikes. Who's this guy?
I don't know, but I want RPG.
Let's see.
His name's Bacon.
His name's Bacon?
See? In the dark gray letter.
Yeah, I know. It's strange. He's a derby.
Guys, comment down below if you have a friend or family member that's named is Bacon.
I think you're not going to have a whole lot of people saying, my name's Bacon. That would be a funny name, though, wouldn't it? To name your son Bacon? Or daughter. You know what?
What?
Maybe when you have kids, you'll name your first child Bacon.
If he has the bacon colored hair.
Yeah.
If he has the bacon colored hair, I want to name him Bacon.
Okay. I guess that makes sense. Alright, so freeze tag's about to end.
And we'll see which team won. I'm guessing the drivers, which in this case are the runners.
Right.
Since this is the car destruction.
This is a car destruction game. Alright, so now we get they're gonna have a thing where they pick the next type of derby.
You'll see what. As you can see, we are not even on the leaderboard because we didn't do nothing. Right?
That's right.
This is what I mean. Vote for launch site.
You want launch site?
Yes.
Okay.
And whoever has the most, whichever map has the most votes at the end of the vote.
Looks like launch site's gonna have the most.
And that means we're gonna do that one.
Alright, so this is called an FFA, right?
Which stands for free for all.
Alright.
Do you know what I'm gonna pull out?
What are you gonna pull out?
My big boy bulldozer.
Oh man.
You do not want to get in this thing's way. For real. It'll literally crush your car to everything.
So I got my my white Ferrari here.
With my big vehicle. Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
How will it record my bulldozer?
It won't.
Oh, so it'll just be silent?
Yeah.
My bulldozer is very slow. That's me then.
Oh, sorry. Well, if you want, why don't I make mine silent and you can turn yours off? All right. So now you're going to hear Blake's.
And see mine.
Yeah.
Oh no, someone's got a grinder. I got a big mighty bulldozer coming. I'm sorry for all the Ferrari fans that he turned off his sound.
Yeah, because my Ferrari was sounding really good. Alright. Man, there's a lot of beefy cars around here.
To me, it's a takedown. It's like, how do you get a takedown from a small car?
Alright. Oh. Found a,
Power up.
Yeah, it's like a...
Note that after it's over, it'll take away your current power.
Alright, I'm coming.
Big bulldozer!
Ooh, I just crushed somebody. Knockout. I got a knockout.
Can you explain to the kids why it's a knockout?
That's like when you crush them so bad that their car explodes. So that's a win.
That's a win-win in my situation. Oh, there's two big mighty drills here. That's stronger than the bulldozer.
Ooh, I see Blakey boy coming in hard.
That's me!
Boom! Skadoosh!
Oh, you're gonna regret that.
I'm getting hurt pretty bad here.
So am I. I'm getting really wounded here. I haven't got a single knockout.
What? I'm ragdolled on the back of someone's big rig here.
It's not a big rig, man. It's a minor.
Look at it. Oh, my guy's getting totally ragdolled around.
Explain to the kids what is a ragdoll.
It's like when your
whole body goes
limp.
Oh, there's a whole army of big vehicles over here where I am. Oh, I see the vehicle you're on. Oh, I got a kill. I think I took out a big vehicle.
Alright, I'm gonna respawn.
Here, Drew. Oh! My bulldozer's almost given up. Just wait till you see what I pull out.
Skadoosh!
That's me, Dad. I'm already wounded.
Oh.
Please don't hurt me. Go for the purple car.
Man, you're really wounded.
I'm missing both my back wheels. My engine is exposed, and I can barely make it up the hill.
Fans, it's time to put Blake out of his misery. Skadoosh!
You know I'm still alive, right? You got me stuck. You got me stuck.
Well, you know.
That's it.
Boom.
I'm pulling out a tier 2. And it's a big tier 2.
Which one are you going for?
Oh, you'll find out.
What?
Is that fair?
That's cheating.
I had a big bulldozer. How do you call this cheating? Oh no, someone's got a big snowplow bus. I've got a big semi-truck. Oh, I got killed! This ATV is like pressed up against my truck.
Is there not a size limit on this game? Some of these people's vehicles are like huge.
Those are called juggernauts, Dad.
Oops, sorry.
Did you not see my big truck?
Oh, sorry.
I got a kill.
Yeah, you killed me.
Oh. I'm a little stuck.
Oh, look.
I'm a little stuck.
Really?
I can do this. Did it.
Who's honking their horn?
Probably because I honked it.
Alright.
Can I get away?
Oh!
You trapped?
I'm like under something.
Oh my gosh!
Did you hit me?
I didn't mean to.
Bro.
I swear I didn't. I can't remember if this thing rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. Dad! You literally killed me.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Did you not mean to
Oopsie.
kill me?
Oopsie, so sorry.
Oh, you did. Alright. Here's what's the tier 1 I can use?
We got a minute left in the free-for-all. I'm getting...
That's the last straw. Come here!
What is that?
You wanna know? Do you wanna know that?
Yeah, what is that?
A tractor. With a
Okay.
big plow on it. Oh! Go! Go, go, go! Oh, someone else has that truck I just blew up. I'm gonna find you, Dad.
Alright. I'm coming for you.
I must warn you. Guys, he just blew past me.
Skadoosh!
Hey, I didn't even get phased.
Free-for-all is about to end, kids.
I'm gonna drift. I'm gonna hide. Of course, one of the big juggernaut vehicles.
Gavin XV wins.
We'll do this for a few more minutes.
Well, we gotta hope for the jugs for the next one. Alright, we're hoping for the next
One round
round to be a juggernaut. Or tank. I like tank.
I like juggernaut better.
Okay.
So if you see tank, just vote for juggernaut. Hey, I did better than you.
Weak. Let's see what we're gonna have. Oh!
Juggernaut!
This is the juggernaut.
Survival.
Alright, kids, you'll get to see what it's like to fight against the jugs.
And at my screen, you'll see a percentage.
Now they get to pick 2 jugs. Let's see if one of us gets to be a jug. Buster's a jug!
Oh, you are so dead. You are so dead.
Alright. Which
Give
one
me
are
the
you gonna
big
get?
mighty bulldozer.
Which one are you gonna get? Oh, you going with the bulldozer? Bruh.
That's a little tough to beat, isn't it?
That is, and he's partnered with Cool the Boy.
Underscore. Someone brought
Cool.
look, someone brought a 6-wheeler. Look. You see that?
Yeah.
Gamer one.
All right, everyone. So,
A-
oh, a tank. That thing's gonna get destroyed.
The tank?
Yeah. Well, actually, that's a nice tank.
So you're not.
All right, everyone, attack. Where is he? Oh, I see him.
Is the big mighty bulldozer gonna be a problem? Oh, I already got a KO in the first 5 seconds. That's how well it crushes.
I am.
Oh, knockout.
Yeah, I gotta respawn.
Where is it? Knockout!
All right, here I come. Building up speed. Oops, that's not good. And kaboomski.
Oh, I just killed one of your teammates.
I'm coming in to hit you. Boom.
You didn't do anything to me.
I hit you in the booty. Oh.
I can get unstuck.
You know you're not supposed to like do that, right?
I'm back over you.
You just like.
I see you dead on my screen.
Yeah.
You're being followed by a 6-wheeler.
Here I come.
Ooh.
Boom.
Oh, you made a mistake, buddy. I took out one of your wheels.
Oopsie.
Oh, kill.
Coming for you. Oh, okay. I'm dead. That hurt.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think the bulldozer is a little bit of a problem for you guys with the plow on it. Oh, the tank just ran into me. Oh yeah, you guys are dead with your tank in the mix. What do you guys got on this? I think everyone's picking on the bulldozer.
I'm gonna get that tank.
Won't let you.
Come here, tanky.
How did I lose a wheel? Oh, that's... Oh, someone pull out that tractor I
Oh, that tank's about dead. That tank is about dead.
You haven't even made
Oh,
half my
man.
health yet. You haven't even
Here I come.
made half.
Oh, high speed tank hit. Boom.
It's still going, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's about to die. Bye-bye, Tank Tank. Alright, I'm gonna come for you now. Oh, are you disabled?
No, I'm just stuck on someone.
Ooh, you don't have some... Oh, okay, you're still moving?
Yeah, I'm still doing it. Everyone's just
You got 30
on.
seconds.
I can do it.
I don't know, man. You got 28, 26 seconds. Will you survive?
I can.
20 seconds.
No, no. Come on. Juggernaut, run away. About 10 seconds left.
Will you survive?
Oh, you killed me.
Oh, that was a close one. The attackers win. Look.
Can we see the results?
Yes. There's my guide. Look, see him jumping?
Mm-hmm. Was that a close fight with the bulldozer?
That was close. That was real close.
Let's see how many KOs I had. Most knockouts 10.
Oh, man.
I completely murdered everyone in the battlefield.
Look, Bacon says GG.
I got 10 KOs now.
Oh,
Free stack.
Tank.
Free stack.
Tank.
Free stack.
Tank.
Looks like Free Stack's gonna win.
Tank. Tank.
Alright guys, for this one, we are going to use a supercar. As in a very speedy boy. A very speedy boy. A very fast boy.
Alright.
So that's why I'm choosing my Lamborghini. Remember that one that can go over 300?
Yes.
The one I ran you in your lost Ferrari?
Yes.
What'd you choose? The Ferrari?
Yes.
You know, Gamer won 1374.90 chose the same car as you.
He's a copycat.
Ooh, I'm a driver and so are you, Dad. So you have
Oh, we're on the same team.
We're not taggers.
It's okay.
We still have supercars, which is good. Oh.
Oh, I got frozen.
Oh, me too.
Need a little help. Oh, I got unfrozen.
Dad, I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay.
Come and get me.
Oh, I got frozen.
I need help.
Little help.
Little help.
Little help. Oh, I got unfrozen.
Go.
Okay. Coming
That's
for
not
you.
me.
Oh, jeez, oh, Pete.
I see you in my grass. Look where you are, Dad. That's you, right?
I know. We're both frozen.
In an unknown area.
Somebody unfreeze me.
Over here! What, you wanna help me out?
Little help?
Oh, that guy right there just got frozen. A little assistance. A little assist. My Lamborghini!
I think we're losing this one.
Wait. Might have the opportunity. Everyone near us is frozen. There's still, I feel like there's still a driver still alive.
Is there any driver available to unfreeze me? Anybody? 30 seconds.
Come on.
I think we lost.
They
I think we
froze.
lost.
You can play two
Tiger.
more rounds,
All right, 2 more rounds, kids.
and then we're gonna end it there.
Yeah.
Dad, is this a real video, by the way? We'll
This
cut
is
that
real.
part out. We'll
No.
cut this part out.
We'll cut this part out.
Never mind. I was just making sure it was a test. Of course, I came in last
Why'd you come in last?
because I got frozen and I didn't get rescued.
No.
Shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
It has more room.
You know, we're not shoppers, though.
We're destroyed.
We don't like to go shopping.
I do his Legos.
All right, another FFA.
Special. You
Here we
don't
go.
know what I'm pulling out.
And I'm off.
Hello.
What you got? Oh, that same thing again?
It's big and hefty. It's like a hardware thing. Hey, Dad, there's monster trucks in here. Go for them. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you.
Well, you're blocked in the aisle. Oh, I got a knockout.
How did you get a knockout before a big mighty bulldozer?
Well, you gotta have talent.
This thing's sluggish, okay? I have talent, it's just slow.
Coming for you.
Oh, I'm going for a
Skadoosh.
bus. Going
Oh,
for
man.
a bus.
I just took out
Oh,
a...
I just clipped someone and they immediately died. That's how powerful.
Did you get a knockout?
Yeah. I just
Yeah.
clipped him and he died. That was funny. Dad, did a bus just hit you?
Yeah.
I'll get revenge for you.
Thank you.
I'm currently shoving him into a wall.
You must avenge my name.
This is what you get for hurting my daddy!
And...
Oh, it took out his wheel.
kaboom.
I don't know how that bus is still driving, but it's probably not gonna last much longer. Sandwich him!
Oh, man.
Oh, the bus is dead! I think the bus is dead! The bus that murdered you.
Oh, good. That's what you get for messing with us.
Murder him. Oh, I killed a monster truck. Yeah, this thing's big enough to kill a monster. Look out, Dad!
That's alright, I got him for you.
Big drill, big boy! Oh, I got a rocket booster!
Oh, man.
Arrgh! You don't mess with the big mighty bulldozer, do you? Oh, I thought I was crushing you.
Oh, I got a knockout.
Oh, sorry,
Oops,
Dad.
sorry.
Sorry.
There's a monster truck on his side, 3 wheels, and boom, took 1 wheel off. He's got 2 wheels
Can I
left.
finish him, Dad? Can I finish him?
him.
Good thing he's right in front of me, huh? Oh my gosh, I'm doing a wheelie on the monster truck. Oh, I just killed him.
How does that tank have a fluorescent blue paint job?
Because he got neon.
That's,
Arrgh.
strange.
I hit it. That's like half health.
I'm carless.
Oh.
And they just got run over. Pedestrian crossing.
Juggernaut's racing. The drill needs to go bye-bye. I wish I had
Oh.
that. Yes,
I just damaged him.
the drill.
Yeah. Oh, I just damaged him again.
I don't know if I'm
Get him.
crushing you.
Just damaged him again.
Take out the actual drill part of his core
I'm trying to damage his wheels.
so that he can't move.
Yeah, look. So now he's
Sorry,
having...
Dad. Sorry.
What are these people doing?
Sorry. Oh, yeah. Oh, someone has your tank, Dad. Someone's got your tank.
Really? Oh,
I'll get him.
The drill has been... Ooh!
Did he blow it up?
Someone blew up. Is that you doing that?
No.
Oh,
I'm in the
man.
corner.
The drill got torched.
He probably blew up.
Wait,
his
there's a
own
guy in a Mexican sombrero hat?
Where?
Right
Oh,
there.
So.
Oh, I ran him over, though. Oopsie.
I'm gonna hit this tank. Oh, I think I just took out its gun. That's me. Oh.
Coming in hot. Ooh. I just hit a fellow Ferrari.
I'm wounded by a lot. Thank you. That tank's dead now.
What is that right there?
That is one of the new vehicles.
That's...
It's one of the lifters.
Someone has a lifter vehicle?
I don't know why that would be useful in this situation.
Yeah.
Dad, I'm pulling out the EXRC 650.
Okay.
I'm pulling out this.
Okay.
So please do not get in my way. This thing is like a killing machine. Just as good as that bulldozer I was just driving. Get rammed. Get trucked on. Even though in the process I did lose an exhaust pipe. Or some people call it a muffler. That's me, Dad. That
bro.
truck. Help me, I don't have the best traction. I'm down a wheel.
Oops.
Start hitting the brown vehicle in front of me.
I can't. He just. I've been a little damaged. Like, there, I got him.
You disabled him?
No, but.
You hit him?
I gotta respawn. All right, I'm gonna get him good now.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry.
Bro.
I didn't mean that. I'm losing pieces. Like, this thing rides over other supercars. Like, it's nothing. Okay, you know, like, it's nothing.
These people need to get a driver's license.
I think I need to get a driver's
They're
license.
unsafe driving. Look at this guy. I mean,
I just murdered someone. And I'm bare engine in the front of this. I'm surrounded. I got away, Dad. Dad, I got away. I may actually get to keep this thing. I've only got one wheel on the left side that's powering me forward. I'm wiggling. Oh! I got ejected.
coming in hot. Who wants some?
I got ejected like Superman out of the truck.
Oh, man. Someone has a tank on the field.
I just pulled out this random supercar.
Like, who takes a tank shopping? Seriously.
Who takes a McLaren shopping?
I can see that.
Oh, sorry. If I hit you. Hey!
Buster! Look at you.
That's my sweet McLaren right there.
Right there. With a plow on the front.
The rocket didn't show up in the derby.
Man, congratulations.
MVP.
Look at all those accolades you got.
MVP.
I got third, though.
Alright, we're going to do one more round now.
Okay. One more round. For the kids.
Juggernaut!
Oh! Another judge. Oh, look, tank battle's winning. Let's do tank. La 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 la. All right, kids. We get to show them tank.
Finally.
All right.
Tiger won. This is a very powerful tank. You going with the big boy?
I'm going with big boy.
The one you have. Like the one you actually own in game. Do this one. Do S tier.
No, I'm gonna do.
Tiger one.
I'm gonna do this one.
You chose the same tank as me.
All right. So this is everyone's got their own tank.
And we're gonna shoot each other.
And you're gonna shoot each other, and whoever survives.
Wins. This is actually the first ever derby I got my first solo win. Remember?
Nice. All right.
Remember a tank mode?
I got it. One. Is that you over there? That just hit?
Yeah.
That's you? Oh, sorry.
Right. Yeah, that's me.
Okay, I won't shoot you. Don't shoot me.
I won't. I didn't even notice you. There's a pink tank, by the way. There's a pink tank on the field.
A pink tank?
I'm gonna shoot it.
Like, you're not gonna win the derby with a pink tank. Just like the rules won't allow it. Look at this guy. Oh. Do not fire until fired upon. And guess what?
It's fired upon.
Boom.
Oh, I took out someone's gun, I think. The pink tank. Oh no,
he's coming. This guy's coming from. I'm gonna get him.
Oh, got it.
I'm gonna sneak up on him. All right. Boom. He didn't expect that.
That
get
was
him.
me that did.
I know. Get him.
I'm trying.
We gotta double team him.
Oh. Well, there's one in front of us that is shooting at us.
Oh, I got
My gun's down.
What?
This guy in front of me murdered it.
Yeah, this guy's trying to take my gun out too, but guess what? Oh, he took my gun out. I'm gunless.
Me too, so it's ram time.
It's ram time.
The pink tank's right next to me. It's very uncomfortable.
I'm gonna get this guy. What? Oh, knockout. The guy that took out my gun, I knocked him out. Okay, this pink tank's gotta go.
Yeah, please.
I mean,
it's very...
This is an insult to the tank community.
That literally hurts the world. What?
Look at this.
I need to wriggle my way forward. Go, my little tank. I'm wriggling my way forward. Can you kill this gray tank in front of me after you're done with the pink one?
I'm not as mobile as I used to be.
Yeah, look what I have to do just to get around.
Yeah, I got a broken crankshaft, I think.
Is that the thing on the tank?
Yeah. And I think my suspension's damaged.
Tanks don't even have suspension.
Yeah, I do.
What?
Yeah.
I'm wounded!
Yeah, no, I don't have steering now. I can turn left, but not right.
Really?
No, actually, I can't. Okay, got it back.
Were you just pressing the wrong button?
I did a quick repair job. All right. Oh, I'm gonna get this gray guy.
Yeah, that's the one that was murdered.
Stay alive, son. Stay alive.
Look how little health I have.
You must stay alive. Hey.
You got a minute, 20 seconds.
I think my steering is officially dead. Oh wait, I got it back.
My acceleration's almost dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh man.
Dad, I'm rooting for you.
Okay. I have limited mobility. I can't
Can I just watching your screen?
Yeah.
Try wriggling your way.
Oh, I got steering back.
You might actually get a win here, Dad. You might get your first ever win. Like solo win.
Really?
If you just stay alive. Stay alive.
Staying alive. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Dad, you've got 30 seconds. Come on. Try and go zigzag like this.
I can't.
You can't turn?
Yeah, I got no,
Maybe if you just hide, they'll forget about you and think you're eliminated.
Oh.
Never mind.
This guy found me.
Yes, up! Yes, up! Turn! You got your steering back!
I got my steering back. He helped me.
Kids, this is amazing. This is a miracle. My dad could get his first ever derby win.
See. Oh, no, that guy won.
It was a laser tank.
Ah.
Well, I think
Alright, kids.
That's a wrap.
Yep, that's a wrap, and we'll,
see you next time.
What are we going to do next time? Do you have any ideas?
Oh, I know. More head-on collisions like we did in our first video.
Or, you know what? We may surprise them with some new stuff.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow. That one!
Oh, yes. Awesome.
Alright. So, next video will be a surprise.
Alright, kids. Thanks for playing.